Welcome back, children, to lesson number 7, fractions. Today in this video we will learn new concept like fractions and unlike fractions. Children, when a pair of fraction has same denominators and different numerator, then those fractions are known as like fractions. But a pair of fractions which have different numerators and different denominators, or different denominators and same numerators, are called unlike fractions. You can see this slide: 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. All the denominators are same. That means 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 are like fractions. But in another picture you can see that 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. That means the whole is the same, but it is divided into different equal parts. That is, first one is divided into 2 parts, second is divided into 3 parts, and third one is divided into 4 parts. Here the denominators are different. So these types of fractions are known as unlike fractions. 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 are unlike fractions because their denominators are different. Their denominators are not same. Now move on to next topic, that is comparing fractions. Children, comparing fraction means for comparison we want 2 or more fractions. And here when we are comparing the fractions, we will see the denominator as well as the numerator of the fraction. So you can see on page number 148, figure number 7.12. Here we have 4 bars, and children, you can see first bar is divided into 2 parts and one part is shaded, so it is half. Second bar, it is of the same size as of 1 by 2, but it is divided into 3 parts and one part is shaded. Now the third one, you can see that it is divided into 4 parts, and in this one bar is shaded. And in the fourth one you will see that the bar is divided into 5 equal parts, and in this only one part is shaded. Now children, if we take two fractions, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 in this, then which is greater? Which fraction is greater? So children, here because the denominators are different, because 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are unlike fractions, how we will know that which fraction is greater? So children, if we compare both the bars, you will notice that the bars are same. That means they are divided differently, but they are the whole bars. So children, if you notice both the fractions, you will observe that the portion of the whole corresponding to 1 by 2 is clearly larger than the portion of the same whole corresponding to 1 by 3. So we can conclude that 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. But often it is not easy to say which one out of pair of fraction is larger. For example, which is greater, 1 by 4 or 3 by 10? Children, for this we may wish to show the fractions using figures, but drawing figures may not be easy for fractions with big denominators. That is why we have systematic method to compare the fractions. Children, comparing like fractions is easy as compared to unlike fractions. So first we will learn to compare the like fractions. Children, you can see on page number 148 some fractions are given, and we have to find out which are like fractions. So 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 5, 7 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 4 by 7. Here we will see that which fractions have same denominators. So children, here 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 have same denominators as 5. That means all these fractions 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are like fractions. Children, now see on page number 149. Let us compare two like fractions, that is 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. You can see the figures that the bars are divided into 8 equal parts. One of the bar is shaded with 3 parts and one bar is shaded with 5 parts. So children, we can see clearly that because the denominators are same, 3 and 5 will be compared. That means numerators will be compared here. So from 3 and 5, which one is greater? Yes, 5 is greater. So 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. Therefore, it is clear that for two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Children, see one more example between 11 upon 20 and 13 upon 20. Which one is greater? So here the denominators are 20. Both the fraction has denominators as 20. So these are like fractions. Now we will compare the numerator. So 11 and 13. So children, here 13 is greater than 11. So 13 by 20 is the greater fraction. Now comparing unlike fractions. Children, you know what are unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators and different numerator are known as unlike fractions. Children, here the system is different from comparing the like fractions. Children, see on page number 149, two squares are given. From this, one square is divided into 3 equal parts and one is divided into 5 equal parts. And in both the fractions, one part is shaded. In both the squares, one part is shaded. But you can see that both the denominators are different. In this, both the denominators are different. That means these are unlike fractions, and now we have to find out which one is greater among this. Children, when we compare two unlike fractions, first we have to make the denominators same. We have to make the denominators common. So we will find out that which is the common multiple for 3 and 5. And the common multiple for 3 and 5 is 15. So what we will do, we will multiply 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. In fraction 1 by 3, 3 and 1 will be multiplied by 5, and in fraction 1 by 5, 1 and 5 will be multiplied by 3. Children, here when we make the denominators common, we get denominators 15. And as we change the denominator, or as we make the common denominators, the numerators also change. Now with new denominators, we got the fractions as 5 upon 15 and 3 upon 15. So now children, here when we made the denominators common, we will see the numerators. And here 5 and 3 are the numerators, and which one is greater? Yes, 5 is greater. Hence children, here 5 by 15 is greater than 3 by 15. So which fraction is greater here then? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. Hence children, from this example we can say that if the numerator is the same in two fractions, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater of the two. Now children, see on page number 150, let us arrange 2 by 1, 2 by 13, 2 by 9, 2 by 5 and 2 by 7 in increasing order. That means from small to big. Children, here all the numerators are same, so we have to see the denominators. So, which denominator is greater? Yes, 2 by 13 is greater. So, 2 by 13 is the smallest fraction among these fractions. Now, children, the fraction with denominator 9 is greater than 2 by 13. So, we will write 2 by 9. Then 2 by 7 is greater than 2 by 9. Then 2 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. And the largest, or we can say the greater fraction among all these fractions is 2 by 1. So here the greatest fraction is the fraction with smallest denominator, that is 2 by 1. And the arrangement in increasing order is 2 by 13, 2 by 9, 2 by 7, 2 by 5 and 2 by 1. Now children, we will compare the fractions which have different denominators and different numerators. Children, here we will use the method of making the fractions equivalent. We have unlike fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So now we will find out the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Children, the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 are 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, 10 by 15 and so on. And the equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 are 6 by 8, 9 by 12 and 12 by 16. So children, here what we will do, we will find out the equivalent fractions of both the fractions, that is unlike fractions, till we get the same denominator in both the fractions, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Children, after finding out the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, we have found out that 8 by 12 and 9 by 12 in both the fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 respectively, the denominators are same. After finding out the equivalent fractions, we have seen that we have got two fractions with same denominators, that is 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. As the denominators are same, we will compare the numerators now, and the numerator 9 is greater than 8. So which fraction is greater? Yes, 9 by 12 is greater. And again, when we are comparing the fractions which we have, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, then 3 by 4 is greater. Children, now see page number 152. Example 7. Compare 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. Children, first we will find out the equivalent fractions of these unlike fractions. We should first get their equivalent fractions with the denominator which is common multiple of 6 and 15. Here we will find out what is the common multiple of 6 and 15. Yes, 30 is the common multiple of 6 and 15. Children, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 and 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. Now we will multiply 5 by 5 in fraction 5 by 6. So 5 multiplied by 5 and 6 multiplied by 5 is 25 by 30. And in fraction 13 by 15, 2 will be multiplied by numerator 13. So 13 multiplied by 2 and 15 multiplied by 2 is 26 by 30. Now here the denominators have become equal. We will compare the numerators. And here the numerator 26 is greater than 25. So children, 26 by 30 is greater than 25 by 30. And we have which fractions, which unlike fractions? 13 by 15 and 5 by 6. So 13 by 15 is greater than 5 by 6. Children, this was for all today. I hope you all understood the concept taught in this video. Write all these notes in your maths notebook. We will meet in my next video with exercise 7.4. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.